Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created an awesome soccer club layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the soccer club layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. And as you can see, it clearly matches a website that you would expect from a soccer club. You have this nice color palette, stunning high quality images included as well. And you can modify everything according to your own needs, according to your own soccer club, just to make it match. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you will see all of the layout packs. And if you scroll down, you can see the soccer club layout pack, and if you click on it, you will view all of the different layouts that are included. And you can join to download, or you can upload that within the WordPress website that you've set up, or you can view the live demo before actually using any of these layouts on your website by clicking on this blue button over here. And over here you can see all of the layouts uploaded to a live website, so you can discover all of these without actually having to install them on your own website. So you can take a look and see if everything is matching your own style. But of course you can change everything around once you lay your hands on it. So okay, let's go back to the WordPress website over here, and I have the landing page. So I'm going to enable the visual builder. So over here, you can play around with all of Divi's built-in options, and you can change the content to make it match with the soccer club that you're representing. And you can play around with the drag and drop options. So for instance, you have the option to play around with all of the padding values of each one of the elements over here. So the sections and the rows. Or for instance, you can change this font over here. So I'm going to open it, and over here we can see that we have a heading. And if you want to change the font throughout the entire page in one click, you can easily do that. So over here we can see the heading font. We're just going to right click, and we're going to click on find and replace. And over here we can see the font that is being used at this moment, and we can replace it with another one. So I'm just going to choose a random option over there, and I'm going to replace it on the entire page. And you can do that for each one of the options. So you can also play around with the different text sizes as well, for instance, and extend this heading text size to all of the text modules throughout the page. So you can use all of these different options to create your ideal website. You can also play around with the colors, of course. So I'll open this section, for instance, and I'll play around with the different color codes that have been applied to this gradient background over here. So you can really create your own unique result, but still have like the basic page structures there and everything you need to create a good soccer club website. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.